Want to start a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? Here are the best AI tools. They can save you hours of work and help you create amazing videos. ChatGPT helps you generate video ideas. It can write high quality scripts, create very catchy titles for your videos, and optimize descriptions for better SEO. Need a realistic voiceover? ElevenLabs converts your script into natural sounding AI voices in multiple languages and accents. CapCut AI makes editing simple. It has auto captions, it removes backgrounds, there are smart transitions. Enjoy one-click effects. Try it yourself today. Canva AI helps you design professional thumbnails, channel art, and social media graphics without any design experience. InVideo AI can turn a simple text prompt into a complete video with AI visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. Leonardo AI creates stunning AI images for thumbnails, storytelling videos, and unique visual content. Pika transforms text prompts into cinematic AI videos, making it perfect for YouTube Shorts and creative animations. Hagen lets you create realistic AI presenters and avatars, so you can make professional videos without using a camera. Opus Clip automatically finds the best moments from long videos and converts them into viral-ready short clips. Descript lets you edit videos, just like editing a document. It also removes filler words and improves audio quality. Try it out for yourself. Which AI tool is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI and YouTube tips.